Нафиг бьет! Нафиг бьет!
Horse.
Oh, thank you. I can't even sell it right now for that money, though. I'll hold it.
Why can't you sell it? You're not
I don't have the market. I'm close, though. Really
Okay.
fucking close.
Yeah, I don't see any bullets. Alright. Wait. Right. Here it is.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
Hold. Quiet.
Well, I don't think we're in your building, are we?
That's a hacker. 1000%. Get the fuck out of this game.
Alright, dude, come on. Let's go, cker. We're going out the ride. Hurry.
Unless it was a rager.
Let's get in this bush. Stop moving.
Yeah, that's a hacker.
Stop moving. Bro. Yeah, it's a hacker.
Yep.
Cool. He ran right up at us in the dark and just blew us away without even looking. Cool.
He
Found
shot
you.
both of us
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah.